Hi everybody, Keith Mann here. Just wanted to do a how-to video to help people out with some of their projects. I do a lot of body work and I never really explain what I do. Today we're working on a C4 Corvette, and the bumper was chunk missing here, and here it was completely missing also. So these are urethane bumpers, but they're fairly stiff. On the C4s, they don't move very much. So what I do is I take 40 grit sandpaper and sand it down, rough it up really well. Then I use the fiberglass kit, and I put a few layers on there for strength. It's got the resin and the hardener. Then you mix it up. You soak your cloth right here. You'll cut that into the piece you need, and then basically you're going to want to just flat sand it down as I've done here, and just keep working with it, just like your standard dents and what have you, and it comes out really well. This is my third bumper I have done. The other two lasted till I sold the cars and I won car shows with them, so repair is fairly permanent. The only thing is, it's fiberglass isn't as forgiving as the urethane. My other two were on C3 Corvettes, which did have a lot of flex, and I did a triple repair where the cracks were here and here. Seemed to hold real well. I know they have urethane repair kits. As you can see, the fiberglass also flexes. But you don't want to keep crashing your Corvette into the wall. That's what I recommend, as was done here, because I had to go in and straighten the structure out underneath it. So, and if necessary, if you want to add a little Bondo on top, most of this is going to get sanded off, so not to worry. I just want to feather it in real well. So there'll just be a small amount of Bondo. But anyway, thanks for tuning into my videos, and feel free to subscribe. Thank you. Bye.